In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do this really cool camera trick, so make sure you stick around. Hey, what's up? It's Chris from Rucker Films, and in today's video, I'm going to be talking all about the vertigo effect, and this is also known as the dolly zoom. Now, the dolly zoom is this really cool camera trick where the background basically moves closer or further away from your subject on screen. And this creates a really awesome and interesting effect that can help to add suspense and tension to your film. But how do we replicate this effect? Well, firstly, you need to make sure that you have a camera and you have a zoom lens. If you have a prime lens which you can't zoom in on, then you can't do this effect. So try and grab a zoom lens of some sort. To achieve this effect, you want to move towards or away from your subject, and at the same time, you want to be zooming in or out. You have to zoom in the opposite direction to the way that you're traveling. So if you're walking towards your talent, then you want to zoom out. And if you're walking away from your subject, then you want to zoom in. So basically, if this is the camera and this is the zoom, they basically want to be doing this. And this is how you're gonna achieve that effect. So if I have a subject in front of me and I want to walk towards them, then I want to zoom my camera in all the way before we start rolling. So I'm going to be on a 105 because this is a 24 to 105mm lens. So I'm on 105 and I'm pretty far away from the subject. Now I'm going to hit record, and as I start to walk towards the subject, I'm going to zoom out, and by the time I hit my end point, I want to be at the widest zoom on my lens. So this is 24. The dolly zoom effect is really simple and it's pretty accessible. As long as you have a camera with a zoom lens, then anybody can do this effect. And that's it. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please do let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe, push that bell icon, and I will see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching.